Schizophrenia is a severe mental disorder that changes how someone thinks, feels, and makes decisions. They appear to have lost touch with reality, which can cause distress for them, their loved ones, and friends. According to the National Institute of Mental Health, there are categories for symptoms of schizophrenia such as positive symptoms, negative symptoms, and cognitive symptoms. But in this video, we will be focusing more on changes in the brain functions, brain structures, and the central nervous system when it comes to schizophrenia. People within their late teens and 20s show signs of schizophrenia. Within people that suffer with schizophrenia disorder, functions are affected. When it comes to thinking, they may have a hard time with organization or making connections. They may also have thought withdrawal or thought blocking. Cognitive symptoms, which is like trouble paying attention and trouble using information to make decisions, are connected with thinking functions and schizophrenia. With behavior, they have senseless talking, showing agitated or no expression, or having repetitive actions. When it comes to behavior function, positive symptoms are shown. This is because positive symptoms are psychotic behaviors that are not typically seen in people without schizophrenia, like hallucinations, delusions, and agitated body movements. Positive symptoms of schizophrenia include hallucinations and delusions because of increased subcortical release of dopamine, which is thought to be due to a disturbed cortical pathway through the nucleus accumbens. A negative symptom may even cause reduced speaking or difficulty starting activities. Both positive and negative symptoms come from receptor activation in the prefrontal cortex and decreased activity of the nucleus caudatus. Research has also studied that alterations might also be involved in the negative symptoms of schizophrenia because of changes in behavior with someone that suffers with the disorder. When it comes to emotions, they may have outbursts or show signs of strong negative feelings. Negative symptoms and emotions could be having little to no pleasure in everyday life. Dopamine dysregulation is also observed in brain regions including the amygdala and prefrontal cortex, which is important for emotional processing. Mentioning cognitive symptoms again, they also include problems in attention, concentration, and memory. Verbal declarative memory, located in the temporal lobe, is a core cognitive domain affected in schizophrenia in encoding stage, also meaning learning of information. Working memory, which is located in the prefrontal, could possibly be due to dysfunction of establishing or changing brain networks. Scientists think that differences in brain structure, function, and interactions among chemical messengers, also known as neurotransmitters, might contribute to the development of schizophrenia. According to National Institute of Health, dopaminergic abnormalities in mesolimbic and prefrontal brain regions exist in schizophrenia. Research has indicated that glutamate, GABA-aminobutyric acid, acetylcholine, and serotonin alterations are also involved in the pathology of schizophrenia by allowing nerve cells in the brain to send messages to each other. According to the National Institute of Mental Health, excitatory neurotransmission in the brain is mainly glutaminergic, and these neurotransmissions occur through metabotropic and inotropic glutamate receptors. Because schizophrenia is incurable and requires lifelong treatment, antipsychotic medications are prescribed by doctors who work together with the patients to find the best medication strategy. Side effects of taking antipsychotic medications can be weight gain and movement disorder. Psychosocial treatments are also used to help patients to learn and utilize coping skills to address the everyday challenges of schizophrenia while pursuing their life goals. Schizophrenia is a severe mental disorder that changes how someone thinks, feels, and makes decisions.